All right, Chem II. This is part of chemistry. I was excited to get you guys to. I no way dreamed I'd be trying to do this via e-learning, but we'll try to get through it as best we can. We managed to somehow get through nuclear, so we're going to start organic chemistry. And I'm going to make the first lesson, we've been working really hard. So make the first lesson very basic. There's going to be just a simple worksheet for you to do. Shouldn't take you too long. We're going to start with the alkanes. Now, alkanes are carbon to carbon single bonds. Okay, carbon to carbon single bonds. And in later videos, we're going to get to the other different types of bonds. But right now, these are all single bonds. Now, we're naming a organic compound that are alkanes. They all end with -ane. And we have to use a prefix. And I'm going to try to teach you those. Meth is one. Okay, stop the laughing now. These names existed before other things did. Eth is 2 carbons, so I'll say 1 carbon, 2 carbon. Then we have prop, which is 3. Bute, which is 4. Pent, which is 5. Hex, which is 6. Hept, which is 7. Oc, which is 8. Known, which is 9. And dec, which is 10. So all single bonds. So for example, propane would be 1, 2, 3 carbons. These are all called hydrocarbons for right now. That's what we're learning, is hydrocarbons. As the name implied, hydro meaning hydrogen. So these have hydrogens attached. So that would be propane. Butane, I would have 4 carbons long. Decane, 10 carbons long. Now it gets to be a bit tedious to write down all the hydrogens. So sometimes you'll see it like this. CH3, in fact, this is the way I did the worksheet. So you have to write all the hydrogens down. It just gets to be, again, a very tedious process. So like, let's just do one more of the big ones here. So heptane. It's always going to have a CH3 on the end, then CH2, 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 CH2. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So that'd be heptane. The worksheet, I'm going to give you basically 10. You're going to have to name 5 of them and draw 5 of them. So hopefully this will serve as our introduction to it. Next week I'll get into more of the other areas, but hopefully this will at least get you started. I'm sure there's all kinds of other resources out there. Be honest with you, I haven't checked those out. I hate to say it this way, to kind of make this stuff up as I go. I just haven't found any good material that's a real good intro for high school organic chemistry. So I just go on my own with that. So bear with me. We'll get through it, but this will be an introduction. All right, great. Bye.